You are at a red traffic signal, the traffic light turns green, but there are still other vehicles in the intersection. You should. Option A. Wait until the vehicles clear the intersection before entering. Option B. Move ahead only if you can go around the other vehicles safely. Option C. Enter the intersection and wait for traffic to clear. Answer A. Wait until the vehicles clear the intersection before entering. Which of these is a good way to spot driving hazards? A. Focus on your outside mirrors. B. Focus on the vehicle ahead. C. Scan ahead of your vehicle. Answer C. Scan ahead of your vehicle. A green arrow means go, but first you must A. Yield to any vehicle, bicycle or pedestrian in the intersection. B. Check the vehicle behind you in your rear view mirror. C. Wait 5 seconds before proceeding. Answer A. Yield to any vehicle, bicycle or pedestrian in the intersection. You are going to make a left turn from a dedicated left turn lane. When a yellow arrow appears for your lane, you should A. Speed up to get through the intersection. B. Stop and not turn under any circumstances. C. Be prepared to obey the next signal that appears. Answer C. Be prepared to obey the next signal that appears. The 3-second rule applies to the space of your vehicle. A. In back. B. Ahead. C. To the sides. Answer B. Ahead. It is illegal for a person 21 years of age or older to drive with a blood alcohol concentration, BAC, that is or higher. A. 0.1% 0.1%. B. 0.08% 0.08%. C. 0.05% 0.05%. Answer B. 0.08% 0.08%. If you see orange construction signs or cones on a freeway, you must A. Slow down because the lane ends ahead. B. Be prepared for workers and equipment ahead. C. Change lanes and maintain your current speed. Answer B. Be prepared for workers and equipment ahead. Generally speaking, you are in a large truck's blind spot if you A. Drive close to the large truck's left front wheel. B. Can't see the truck driver in the truck's side mirrors. C. Follow no closer than 10 feet behind the large truck. Answer B. Can't see the truck driver in the truck's side mirrors. U-turns in residential districts are legal. A. On a one-way street at a green arrow. B. When there are no vehicles approaching nearby. C. Across 2 sets of solid double, yellow lines. Answer B. When there are no vehicles approaching nearby. If there is a solid double, yellow line in the center of the roadway, you A. May turn left into a private driveway. B. Are on a one-way street. C. Are in a center left turn lane. Answer A. May turn left into a private driveway. A law enforcement officer notices that one of your passengers is not wearing a seat belt and writes a citation. Which of the following is true? A. Both you and your passenger will receive a citation. B. Your passenger will receive the situation regardless of his or her age. C. You may receive the situation if the passenger is 15 or younger. Answer C. You may receive the situation if the passenger is 15 or younger. You must notify DMV within 10 days if you A. Are cited for a traffic violation. B. Sell or transfer your vehicle. C. Paint your vehicle a different color. Answer B. Sell or transfer your vehicle. Always look carefully for motorcycles before changing lanes because A. Their smaller size makes them harder to see. B. They usually have the right of way at intersections. C. It is illegal for motorcycles to share traffic lanes. Answer A. Their smaller size makes them harder to see. When entering traffic after being parked at a curb, you A. Should drive slower than other traffic for 200 feet. B. Need a large enough gap to get up to the speed of traffic. C. Should wait for the first vehicle to pass, then pull into the lane. Answer: B. Need a large enough gap to get up to the speed of traffic. You may legally drive in any freeway carpool lane if A. All the other lanes have heavy traffic. B. You carry the minimum number of persons shown on the sign. C. It is between the hours of 7 p.m. and 7 a.m. Answer: B. You carry the minimum number of persons shown on the sign. If the roadway is wet and your car starts to skid, you should A. Slowly ease your foot off the gas pedal. B. Slow down by shifting to a lower gear. C. Slow down by pumping the brakes quickly and firmly. Answer: A. Slowly ease your foot off the gas pedal. Before getting out of your parked car on the traffic side of the street, you should A. Give a hand and arm signal for a left turn. B. Open your door so other vehicles will stop. C. Check traffic approaching from behind. Answer: C. Check traffic approaching from behind. To make a right turn onto a two-way street from a two-way street, start in the right-hand lane and end in A. The left lane. B. The lane closest to the curb. C. Any lane that is available. Answer: B. The lane closest to the curb. If you see an emergency vehicle approaching with flashing lights while you are driving, A. Pull over to the left and stop. B. Pull over to the right and come to a complete stop. C. Pull over to the right and slow down. Answer: B. Pull over to the right and come to a complete stop. If you have an accident, the law requires you to exchange your driver's license information with A. Witnesses. B. Others involved in the accident. C. Security guards. Answer: B. Others involved in the accident. If a pedestrian is in a crosswalk in the middle of a block, A. The pedestrian has the right of way. B. The pedestrian must yield the right of way. C. Vehicles have the right of way, but drivers must legally take care for the pedestrian's safety. Answer: A. The pedestrian has the right of way. This sign means A. The road ahead is closed to traffic in your direction. B. Do not enter the road ahead unless it is safe to do so. C. The road ahead is closed to traffic in all directions. Answer: A. The road ahead is closed to traffic in your direction. When traffic is slow and heavy and you must cross railroad tracks before reaching the upcoming intersection, you should A. Stop between the crossing gates in case they close. B. Stop on the tracks and wait for your light to turn green. C. Wait until you can completely cross the tracks before proceeding. Answer: C. Wait until you can completely cross the tracks before proceeding. When passing another vehicle, it is safe to return to your lane if you A. Have signaled your intention to the other driver. B. See the vehicle's headlights in your rearview mirror. C. Have passed the other vehicle's front bumper. Answer: B. See the vehicle's headlights in your rearview mirror. Parking is never permitted. A. In a crosshatched pattern space. B. 20 feet from a railroad track. C. In a bicycle lane, unless otherwise posted. Answer: A. In a crosshatched pattern space. Before driving into an intersection from a stop, you should look A. Left and right only. B. Straight ahead and to the left. C. Left, right, and left again. Answer: C. Left, right, and left again. Following closely behind another vehicle, tailgating. A. Is safe in wet weather. B. Is a common cause of rear-end accidents. C. Helps prevent you from being rear-ended. Answer: B. Is a common cause of rear-end accidents. At night, if an oncoming vehicle fails to dim its high beams, look A. Toward the center of the roadway. B. Toward the right edge of your lane. C. Straight ahead in your lane. Answer: B. Toward the right edge of your lane. When roads are slippery, you should A. Avoid making fast turns and fast stops. B. Stop and test the traction of your tires while going up hills. C. Decrease the distance that you look ahead of your vehicle. Answer: A. Avoid making fast turns and fast stops. A green arrow pointing to the left on a traffic light means you may A. Make a protected turn in that direction. B. Turn left or continue going straight. C. Turn in that direction only after you stop. Answer: A. Make a protected turn in that direction. When driving in a traffic at night on a dimly lit street, you should A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area lighted by your headlights. B. Look directly at oncoming headlights for a short time. C. Keep instrument light bright to be more visible to other drivers. Answer: A. Drive slowly enough so you can stop within the area lighted by your headlights. You should always turn on your emergency flashers when A. You are double parked in a traffic lane. B. You are driving in heavy fog. C. Your car is broken down on the roadway. Answer: C. Your car is broken down on the roadway. Which way should your front wheels be turned when parked uphill next to a curb? A. Parallel to the curb. B. Away from the curb. C. Into the curb. Answer: B. Away from the curb. This sign means A. You have the right of way. B. Give the right of way to other drivers. C. Make a complete stop before asserting your right of way. Answer: B. Give the right of way to other drivers. You are driving 45 miles per hour in a 55 miles per hour zone. You could be given a citation for speeding. A. Only if you are approaching a sharp curve in the road. B. Under no circumstances because it is legal. C. If road or weather conditions require an even slower speed. Answer: C. If road or weather conditions require an even slower speed. You should dim your lights for oncoming vehicles or when you are within 300 feet of a vehicle. A. You are approaching from behind. B. Approaching you from behind. C. You have already passed. Answer: A. You are approaching from behind.